So when we come down in the contraction, if we're like this, we're not getting a full contraction. It needs to be
You have to arch.
like a little arch, yeah, a little arch. Keep your chin up, that helps, because if your head goes down, the spine follows, yeah? So if you keep it here, you're not gonna round forward. Well, we're gonna go close grip, fairly close grip, reverse grip here. So you got 3 levels of strength. This is the weakest, yeah?
Uh-huh.
This is the next strongest. This is the strongest phase. So you should be able to come down and pause. If you can't pause, it's because you're using momentum, yeah? So it's a good check.
That's what my coaches told me, because they were all the principles were coming from you, of course. They always pause. If you can't pause,
You
push.
didn't get it there yourself, okay? So we don't want any momentum, just want
Yes.
muscle power. Now you go, come on. 4, just want 8. 4, 5. 2 on the go. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
3
okay?
seconds pause.
Down 2. 1, 2, 1, 1. As you're stronger on the way up, yeah, in order to like try to tax it, you're going to slow it down a bit. That's why we're slowing it down a bit, because your muscle is stronger during the negative. So if we're going to just go through quickly, it's not going to get exhausted. You're going to fail here, like, oh, I can't do any more, but the negative phase has still got energy in it. So that's why
So
we
on the
slow it
negative,
down.
you want me to 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, a little bit slower than the positive, yeah?